Are proctored exams becoming too strict in 2025? With AI tracking every move, flagging suspicious behavior, and even detecting whispers, it might feel like you're under a microscope. AI proctoring systems aren't perfect. False flags can happen, and they do, frequently. Imagine being wrongly accused just because your system misinterpreted a shadow or a noise. First, familiarize yourself with the exam rules and guidelines. Knowing what to expect can significantly reduce anxiety. Stay calm and collected during the exam. Unnecessary movements or noises might trigger the AI to flag something as suspicious. Next, tackle any tech issues head-on. Before your test, ensure your device is restarted and all unnecessary applications are closed. This can prevent unexpected glitches that might disrupt your exam flow. I've spent over 5 years successfully guiding thousands of students through their ProctorU, Pearson VUE Examplify, and Honorlock exams. These experiences have equipped me with the insights to help you pass with confidence and ease. If you're struggling with AI proctored exams, remember, you're not alone. Expert guidance is available to help you navigate these challenges stress-free. Reach out and let's ensure you conquer your exams without the worry of false flags. Contact me for more personalized help and tips. Together, we can make AI proctoring work for you, not against you.